The BMW M1000R 50 years M is a standard M with the addition of the M competition package, which includes milled parts in anodized aluminum, including folding clutch and brake levers, brake lever guards, rider foot pegs and guards for the engine, a riot of carbon parts that reaches up to the chain guard but first passes through the winglets with a total downforce of 16.3 kilograms at 300 kilometers per hour, and mudguards. An anodized aluminum swing arm weighing 220 grams less than to standard. Chain with DLC coated rollers, passenger seat and foot pegs, and the unlock code to activate the GPS lap trigger. They do not change the chassis engine, where we find the 4-cylinder equipped with shift cam technology. Capable of 212 horsepower at 14,500 revolutions per minute and 113 newton meters at 11,000 revolutions per minute. Embellished with 2-segment Mahler forged pistons, Hankel titanium connecting rods, full titanium exhaust, carbon rims and front brake calipers, M in the evocative blue color. Exclusive color choice, Sao Paulo yellow, which also distinguishes some BMW sports cars. M1000R 50 years M will be available to order between the 21st of May and the 30th of November 2022. The price has not been communicated, but just to give an idea, an M1000R with the competition kit costs €38,500 FC list.